Hey guys, it's Ashley for Not a Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing Family Reading Crate. This is from a company called Build Your Own Library, and it's a book subscription box. I have my friendly co-host over here, Swifty. So what makes this special is that this box is for the whole family. The boxes are themed. I don't know which box this is. I know the June theme was diversity. We can kind of figure from the books that we receive. The July box was We Are Family. The August you can pre-order now is Reading Player One, like Ready Player One, but Reading Player One. Subscriptions are $34.99 a month. I have no idea what's in here. We're going to totally go in blind and find out together. As always, I'm going to link down below to this company so you can check them out if you're interested. I will also link to my full review on my blog where we'll go in depth. You'll see that. All right, so you pop it open and there you have it. All right, so it says Family Reading Crate subscription style book boxes for the whole family. And then it tells you where to go. Do you want to read more as a family but don't know where to start? Have you ever wished someone would choose a perfect stack of books for you? Look no further. With Build Your Library subscription style family reading crates, I've done all the hard work for you. Each month you will receive a carefully curated selection of 3 to 5 theme books for the whole family. Picture books, family read-alouds, middle grade, YA, and there is also a book for you, the parent. In addition, you'll also receive a booklet full of discussion questions, which I think this is really cool that they do this, and a link to our website with more resources to help you and your children get the most from the theme. There are also bookmarks and fun surprises. So there's that, and then they have pictures of past boxes, which I like that they do that. You can kind of get a really good idea of what you're ordering before you buy it. So the first book here, it looks like this is going to be the adult book. This is The Two Family House by Linda Cohen Loigman. This is a Goodreads choice for 2016. It's hard to, in the midst of a blizzard in a 2-family brownstone, 2 babies are born. Minutes apart, the mothers are sisters by marriage, dutiful, quiet Rose, who wants nothing more than to please her difficult husband, and warm, generous Helen, the exhausted mother of 4 rambunctious boys who seem to need her less and less each day. Raising their families side by side, supporting one another, Rose and Helen share an impenetrable bond forged before and during that dramatic winter night. So this is definitely the July, I'm going to guess, We Are Family. So there is that. All right. What is this? Andrew Mccarthy. Our second book is Just Fly Away by Andrew McCarthy. Oh, sorry, I was called to. I could see a train coming, even in the daylight. Its headlamp was bright. It pulled slowly into the station and stopped. Maybe 10 people got off. A conductor stepped out and took off his hat. Going to New York, young lady? He asked pleasantly. Oh, I said yes, and I got on the train. So there's that. Oh, I'm out of breath because I was running up my steps. There's a whole 4 of them. All right, so next we have, well, these are the children's books, I'm guessing. All right, so this is our talking points. We Are Family, Family Reading Crate, July 2018. I'm not going to look in here right now. If you're interested in this, look on the blog, just because it's going to give spoilers and stuff. All right, so then we have some bookmarks. These are all really cute. We also have As Brave as You by Jason Reynolds. Jeannie's questions. Where do crickets go when it rains? What could make a good dog bite someone? What do honey badgers eat? Does the flea market actually sell fleas? What does it mean to be brave? Scooping poop at his grandparents' house. That sure as heck wasn't the way 11-year-old Jeannie expected to be spending his summer, but when his parents sent him and his big brother Ernie to Virginia to experience the great outdoors, they're both in for a big surprises. So this one looks really cute. This is our YA novel, I'm guessing. All right, so then we're going to move on. My girls are actually away in Texas right now, so they won't be here to read it. But I'll be here waiting for when they get back. Oh, so there are little animals in here. How cute. Oh my goodness, there are 4 that I can see. A lion. Isn't he cute? A giraffe who has a very short neck. A rhinoceros and a tiger. So there's that. Those are super cute. My kids are going to love those. All right, so we get 4 books this month. And this last one is a children's book. My Family is a Zoo. This looks super cute. I love the images. They're like bubbly, like more like colored looking, which is nice. Ooh, cool. He's so cute. So that is everything that I received in my family reading crate. I will be linking down below to my blog so you can check that out in depth and get like the real skinny on what's each of these books is about. I'll also link to family reading crate so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!